building a Lego Star Wars Imperial Death Trooper.
ये जो प्यार के लिए वो जिंदगी 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 ये जो प्यार के लिए वो जिंदगी
Check out this Lego build. It's an Imperial Death Trooper. If you didn't know, they are the elite variants of the Galactic Empire Stormtroopers. They are a part of the Empire's military intelligence. These Lego builds come with a spring-loaded blaster rifle and a blaster pistol. They are recognizable by their black suits of armor, and most of the Imperial Death Troopers served under Director Orson Krennic's command, and they were also used to protect high-ranking personnel. You should be able to check out these Imperial Death Troopers in the upcoming movie Rogue One. This is a highly posable Lego build. I would rank this on a scale of 1 to 5, 1 being too easy and 5 being too difficult. I'd rank this about a 2 on the Lego build scale. This Lego action figure stands about 10 inches tall and has 106 pieces to it. It is sturdy and durable design, meant for intense action play. So thank you for watching this Lego Imperial Death Trooper build here, and tune in next time to see what other action figures and toys we're gonna unbox and review.